Hello, what is up guys, and welcome back to this channel once again. So today in this video I am going to show you guys that how to make a perfect outline of any portrait using the grid method. So let's dive in. So as you can see that I have already drawn a grid on the page using a specific app. The link of the app will be in the description. So I started with the eyes part first, and I am not actually giving any type of pressure on the pencil because it is very much important to have a light outline of our portrait. I am not giving any detailing part of the eye as I just wanted to take the correct position and the structure of the eye of this portrait. I will attach the reference photo link in the description also and in the video also later on. So let's see, and I am completed the lips part also here as you can see, and now I am measuring the where the hair starts from. As you can see that you have to notice and watch the reference photo, means the gridded photo very carefully so that the positions are correct there, and the measurement we will do later on because there may be any mistake in our idea. So we will cross check this whole portrait later, but before that we have to get our primary portrait outline so that we have an idea later on that yes, this thing will be here and that element will be there. So this is the primary idea we need all the time before giving any type of detailing in the portrait. So again I am finding a measurement that where the hair, upper hair will be started from, and I found that here, and I completed the primary portrait, and then I will cross check the whole thing. So let's see. So as you can see that I took a divider so that I can make sure that all the structures and also the directions and the size of the elements of the facial part are perfect. So we will measure using the divider, that will be more helpful, and when it is used to you then we can use the pencil measurement technique here also. So everything we can use whichever thing we needed to make a good portrait. The same thing I will do for the left eye also, and also for the nose and lips and other facial parts also. So I have completed the eyes, but I think there is some problem in the nose, so I will measure it also. And for the beginners it is very useful to measure all the facial elements to get a perfect portrait, and for more perfect values you can measure more things. So as you can see that in the lips part there are also some errors, so I need to fix it. So the main motto behind all these things is only to get a perfect portrait. If your outline is perfect, if your facial elements are perfect, then after the setting the perfect portrait will be there. So for that the grid method is very easy for the beginner, and after the using grid method and also using the measurement technique, it will be more perfect. So nothing to say here anything more, but I have a little request that if you guys find this video a little bit helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, share this with your friends, comment down if you have any type of doubt, or DM me in my Instagram. The link of the Instagram profile will be in the description, and please subscribe to this channel for more art videos, and also press the bell icon so that you got my video notifications. And till next video stream, take care, bye bye, and also thanks for watching.